This is a podcast from the Business Times.
Good evening. It's Monday, July 20th, 2026. Here's your market-focused daily closing bell update by the Business Times. Asian shares traded mixed today as the conflict in the Middle East has pushed oil prices higher and reignited inflation concerns. Investors are also bracing for a busy week of earnings from major technology companies, such as Alphabet and Intel, which could determine whether the AI rally has further room to run. With Japan's markets closed for a holiday, attention shifted elsewhere in the region. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan slipped 0.3%, while China's blue chip index advanced 1.53%, closing at 4,598. The South Korean Kospi fell 4.5% today, to close at 6,516, led mostly by the two index heavyweights, Samsung and SK Hynix. Both fell 4.3% and 4.2% respectively, as the global chip stock rout continues to deepen. Oil prices climbed further today and reached above $90 a barrel for the first time in more than a month, as the U.S. extended its military campaign against Iran into a ninth consecutive day. Iran responded with strikes across the region, while shipping through the Strait of Hormuz remained limited, with only a few vessels passing through on Sunday and one reportedly on fire. Brent crude futures rose 2.6% to trade at $90.40 a barrel, while the U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude gained 2.3% to $84.39 a barrel. The conflict intensified after confirmation from the U.S. military that a third American service member had been killed in recent operations. Investigators also recovered unidentified human remains near the site of an Iranian attack in Jordan, where 2 U.S. personnel were previously killed and another had been reported missing. Elsewhere in the world, European stocks began on a weaker footing today, with the Pan-European Stoxx 600 down 0.34% in early trading hours. The London FTSE and German DAX also dropped 0.70% and 0.28% respectively. Wall Street closed sharply lower last week, as semiconductor stocks came under heavy pressure, dragging broader markets lower. The shift comes at a time when investors are reassessing the rich valuations of AI and chip stocks. Sentiment deteriorated further after Moonshot AI's release of Kimi K3. The 2.8 trillion parameter open-weight model, with the benchmark performance approaching Anthropic's Fable 5 at a lower cost, fueled concerns that cheaper, highly capable AI models could weigh on demand for AI hardware and infrastructure spending. U.S. stock futures pointed to a weaker open, with S&P 500 and the Dow Jones slipping 0.1% and 0.2% respectively, while the Nasdaq 100 remained flat. Moving to other commodities, gold prices eased today as traders assess the impact of the escalating conflict in the Gulf region, while fresh hawkish comments from a Federal Reserve policymaker reinforced expectations of further rate hikes. Spot gold fell 0.3% to $4,004 per ounce, while U.S. futures for August declined 0.2% to $4,008. That's it for today. For more business news and market updates, visit bt.sg and Lens On Daily for the latest. Tomorrow at 10 a.m.
This is a podcast by the Business Times. Find more BT podcasts at businesstimes.com.sg/podcasts or wherever you get your podcasts. This podcast is meant to provide general information only. SPH Media accepts no liability for loss arising from any reliance on the podcast or use of third parties' products and services. Please consult professional advisors for independent advice.